Hi, Washington School. I just wanted to share with you one of our family's favorite activities. We created a family nature walk and physical challenge. So basically what you have to do is walk around with our checklist, look for these items, and when you find these items, you're going to do the exercise that's right next to that item. All right, there's a couple ways you could do this. One, you can follow along and try to find every one of these items, and when you find them all, your scavenger hunt is over. Another way you could do this is set a timer, maybe 20 or 30 minutes, and as you walk around, every time you find an item, you do that exercise. So if you find a bird and you do 10 squats, and then maybe about a minute or two later you find a bird again, you'll do 10 squats again, and your scavenger hunt ends at the end of your time period. What we're going to do is we're going to do the first way and just walk around and find these activities. So let's get started. Let's see. All right.
Ooh, flowers.
Flowers, that's definitely on the list. 10 high knees. So let's go right here on the grass and show 10 high knees to everybody. All right, let's keep walking. Let's see what else we can find. What do you think is up there, James? That big shiny thing in the sky. What is that? The sun. That's on here as well. 10 toe touches for the sun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Look at all the trees. We could do the 10-second jog in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, look at that branch. That's 10 side jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at those geese. We could do the 10 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh look, it's a bug. We can do 10 jumping jacks. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Look, there's some leaves right there.
That's push-ups, so we could do the ABC push-ups. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Look, there's a stick right there.
That's 10 mountain climbers. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
For following my family around on our scavenger hunt, feel free to do one of your own. If you want to pick your own activities to do, make sure you share that with me so that I could add them to future scavenger hunts. Have fun.